Okay, so it is that time of the year again. It is February, which means Valentine's Day is just around the corner. And it's usually this time of the year where I see countless of couples trying to make some cute videos of their loved ones, and to be honest, it kinda sucks. But luckily, I am here to save you, because Filmora just put some brand new features and stickers and effects that you can use for completely free to make the best video possible for your loved ones. So let's dive into Filmora and I'll show you exactly how they work. Okay, so the first thing what you want to do is you want to go to Filmora and simply open it and then press on new project. Now there is two simple ways you can do this. You can obviously either already have the footage of, let's say, some photos of your loved one or whatever, but let me show you quickly how the effects will work in this video. So basically what you want to do is you want to go here to effects, and then you'll see Filmora has created a new one called Valentine. Okay, so basically once you've pressed on Valentine, it will give you an entire library of effects you can use. Now once you have your video in place, or you have like photos of your loved one or whatever, these are basically just basic effects you can put over it to make it look just as cool. I mean, one of my favorite ones is probably this one right here, where it looks like a song is playing. So let's say you and your loved one has like a favorite song, and then you can simply double press here and start to edit the song name. You can even put in a album cover, maybe a photo of you two and stuff like that, which I think is pretty cool because it already gives you the templates. And this is just one of a lot. I mean, you can drag and drop this one, and then it's like this cool animation of bunch of texts and stuff you can always put over your videos. So I'm not going to go into too depth of all the effects because there is thousands of them, but most of them are just used to put over your photos or your videos. Now one thing I would say, which is for me pretty cool, what you want to do is you want to go here to stock media and then to AI media, and then it will have a Valentine's Day already segment made out for you. So here you can create any AI video you want. I mean, if you really wanted to, you can take a picture of you and your loved one and it will give you an AI generated kid to see how your children will look, or you have like these cute dogs and stuff like that. So there's a bunch of stuff. Let me show you how this looks. So let's say this one, for example, you simply drag and drop a photo. So let me just grab a photo real quick. So I just selected a photo of my friend because I do not have a Valentine's this year, but then it will generate. So let's just give it a moment. Okay, so after it has done generated, it will give you something like this. You can just drag and drop it, and you see how cool that actually is. I mean, I literally gave it a photo of my friend standing far away in the distance, and it gave me a face and everything, which I think is pretty cool. Now, obviously, this is just a random example, but there is so much more stuff you can do when it comes to AI media and then using the Valentine's Day effects. Now, I really hope this helped you. I mean, there is a bunch of effects you can put over your videos, and I'm pretty sure this year is gonna be the year where you're gonna create better videos for your loved one. So yeah, I really hope this helped. If you enjoy this channel, if you enjoyed this video, a sub to the channel would be awesome, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.